Welcome back, students. This is the session 3 from the playlist of NEET Physics Part 2. The chapter is Electric Charges and Field, and this is the question which was asked in the CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test in 2008. So the question here is the electric potential at a point in free space due to a charge Q is given by Q into 10 to the power 11 volts. So the electric field at that point due to this charge Q will be equal to, there are four options here and we have to find the correct one. So we know that the electric potential is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught if the charge is located in free space, and into Q divided uh, by R, where R is the, let us say this is the charge Q and this is the point, let us say P. So R is the distance between that point and the charge. So I have taken that distance as small r. Now the electric field at that point due to the same charge is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by R square. So here what you can do is you can simply, this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So simply what we can do is we can see here we have to eliminate R. So simply what you can do is we can square this equation 1 on both the sides. So what I will be getting, that is squaring equation 1 number 1 on both the sides. We get V square will be equal to 1 upon this 4 pi epsilon naught whole square into Q square divided by R square. And let us consider this equation number 3. Okay. Now what I will be doing is I will be simply dividing this equation 2 by 3. So what I will be getting, E divided by V square, this will be equal to what? This will be equal to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R square into this I will be getting that this will be equal to this 4 pi epsilon naught square will come in this numerator, and this is whole square and into R square divided by Q square. So by dividing this equation number 2 by this equation number 3, I am getting this equation. So from here, if this R square and R square will get cancelled out, this Q will this will get cancelled out, and I will be getting Q here, and from here it becomes 4 pi epsilon naught into 4 pi epsilon naught divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q, and this is equal to E upon V square. So now let us consider this equation number 4. So from this equation number 4, I am getting that E upon V square is equal to this 4 pi epsilon naught will get cancelled out, and I will be getting E upon V square is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught upon Q. So E will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught upon Q into V square. Now, here we have been given that the electric potential at a point in free space due to a charge Q is Q into 10 to the power 11. So, I will be substituting this value in this equation. So, E will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught upon Q into, now V is equal to Q into 10 to the power 11. So, this will be equal to Q square into 10 to the power 22. So finally, I'm getting E is equal to, this Q will get cancelled out, and now the value of electric field will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into 10 to the power 22 volt per meter. So here the correct option will be 4 pi epsilon naught Q, 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 10 to the power 22 volt per meter. So here the correct option is A. Okay. So in this question, the most important thing was that the value of this electric potential, or you can say the formula for the electric potential, which was equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. This equation was squared on both the sides in order to eliminate this R. That was the first thing. And then what I have done is I have divided this equation, that is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square by V square. And finally, I got this equation, that is equation number 4. And in this equation number 4, what I have done is I have substituted the value of V, which was equal to Q into 10 to the power 11 volts. So by substituting the value of of V as Q into 10 to the power 11 volts, I got this answer. And so the correct option is A. So thank you very much again for joining this session, and in the next session I will be continuing with the same chapter, that is electric charges and field, and I will be coming up with some different type of a numerical problem which has been asked in this CBSE All India Pre-Medical Test or the NEET examination. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.